Now I want to talk about some points about setup and start. The transfer pump. It needs 68 bar pressurized air. It can transfer 21 kilograms or 46 pounds raw material per minute. This transfer pump weighs only 11 kilograms and it's made of special stainless steel. The heated hose, it's high heat resistant up to about 90 degrees Celsius, 200 Fahrenheit. Spray gun. This round pattern spray gun weighs only 1 kilogram and works with 6 to 8 bar pressurized air. Maximum working pressure is 240 bar, which equals 3600 psi. It can be used not only for polyurethane applications but also for polyurethane applications. Proportional. At setup especially, you should have some points to consider. First thing you have to keep in the mind is you must make sure of having 3-phase, 380 or 220 voltage with static grounding.